TradingView indicators, we all love them. They tell you when to open a buy trade and you buy. They tell you when to open a sell trade and you sell. But most of the time, these indicators come with lots of false signals. In this video, I'm going to show you the best TradingView indicator I've ever used. With over 100,000 traders worldwide already using and trusting this tool, it's proven to be both accurate and reliable. By the time you finish this video, you'll have a powerful new strategy in your trading arsenal. If you're excited, don't forget to leave a like. Let's get into it. By the way, to ensure this trading strategy is reliable and worth your time, I've tested it 100 times. So make sure to stick around until the end of this video, where I'll give you a complete breakdown of my trading results. Now, to add this indicator to our chart, we're going to go to TradingView, which is the trading platform that I'm going to be using. Next, you want to load any trading security that you'd like in any time frame. For me, I'm going to be using the 15-minute time frame of Ethereum. Then click on Indicators and type in Signals and Overlays. Select this one by LuxAlgo. This is a premium indicator, however, by using my link in the description, you can get up to a 50% discount with annual payment. Now, at this point, I know you may be thinking, but what exactly is the Signals and Overlays indicator? The magic behind the Signals and Overlays indicator lies in its ability to simplify complex price movements and highlight clear entry and exit opportunities. Think of it as a roadmap for your trading decisions. Instead of overwhelming you with unnecessary noise, it focuses on identifying the strongest trends and momentum shifts, giving you more confidence in your trades. And here's what the indicator consists of. First, we have the Smart Trail. These dynamic overlays adjust based on market conditions to visually guide you through bullish and bearish trends. When the trend is bullish, the Smart Trail shifts to a blue hue, signaling upward momentum. Conversely, during bearish trends, it turns red to indicate downward pressure. But the Smart Trail isn't just for visual guidance. It can be used as a trailing stop loss, allowing you to lock in profits while staying aligned with the trend. It also helps you follow the market's trend with ease and even identify entry points when the price gets rejected off of it. Next, we have the buy and sell signals, which for me are the heart of this indicator. These labels are printed directly on the chart to highlight optimal entry points. A buy signal appears when the algorithm detects a strong buying opportunity, while a sell signal shows when it identifies a selling opportunity. These buy and sell signals are also known as confirmation signals, and they come in two types: normal signals and strong signals. Strong signals are marked with a plus sign and align with the current estimated trend, providing higher confidence in the trade. On the other hand, normal signals can occur during retracements, giving you more opportunities to act. The confirmation signals also include exit signals, represented by colored crosses. A bullish exit is displayed as a blue cross, while a bearish exit is shown as an orange cross. These exit signals are designed to help you identify areas to consider closing a position based on a previous confirmation signal, allowing you to exit at the best price possible. Now that we've covered the built-in tools, it's worth mentioning that this indicator includes over 20 powerful features, each designed to enhance your trading experience. While we've explored some of the key components, there's so much more to discover. In fact, I cover these features in depth across my channel, so feel free to check out my other videos if you're curious about unlocking the full potential of this tool. For this specific strategy, though, we'll focus on just a few core features: the buy and sell signals with their exit signals, and the Smart Trail. These tools alone are more than enough to build a strong and effective trading setup. Now, let's talk customization. To make this strategy work seamlessly, we'll need to adjust the settings and fine-tune these features so they align perfectly with the market conditions and our trading style. First, let's start with the basic settings section. Most of these settings will remain at their default values. The presets and filters option is set to none. The signal mode is set to confirmation and exits. The ML signal classifier is disabled, and the candle coloring is set to confirmation simple. The only setting we'll adjust here is the signal sensitivity. For this, we'll use the optimal sensitivity displayed on the dashboard. If you prefer a more automated approach, or if you're just starting out, I recommend using the autopilot sensitivity and setting it to either mid-term or long-term. Next, in the indicator overlay section, we'll leave the Smart Trail enabled. It's on by default. And keep the reactivity value set to 3, as this works best for this strategy. Before we dive into the trading rules, there's one more thing I want to mention. The Style tab offers additional customization options like changing the colors of the Smart Trail, tweaking the candle coloring, or adjusting the visuals to suit your preferences. This flexibility ensures the indicator integrates smoothly into your trading setup. With the settings now optimized, let's move on to the most exciting part: how to take a buy trade with this strategy. Condition 1. The smart trail must be blue, indicating a bullish trend. Condition 2. Wait for the price to pull back into the smart trail. This means the candlestick must either touch the smart trail with its wick, close within it, or come very close to the trail. Condition 3. Look for a buy signal to appear. Once these three conditions are met, we enter a buy trade. The stop loss is placed below the most recent low to provide protection in case of further pullbacks. For exiting the trade, we rely on the exit signals that are automatically generated and appear on the chart. Here's another example of a valid buy trade. The smart trail is blue, the price pulls back into it, and we receive a buy signal. We enter the trade, place the stop loss below the most recent low, and wait for the exit signal to close the trade. Now, let me walk you through an invalid buy setup. On this chart, we can see the smart trail is blue, and a buy signal has appeared. At first glance, this might look like a valid pullback setup since the candlestick came very close to the smart trail, but if we take a closer look, there's a key detail that invalidates this trade. Notice how the smart trail switched very quickly from blue to red, and then back to blue again. This indicates the trend wasn't stable at that moment, and what we're seeing is not a valid pullback, but rather a newly created smart trail. So, despite the buy signal, this setup does not meet our criteria and should be avoided. Now that we've covered how to take a buy trade, let's look at the opposite scenario: how to take a sell trade. Condition 1. The smart trail must be red, indicating a bearish trend. Condition 2. Wait for the price to reclimb into the smart trail. This means the candlestick must either touch the smart trail with its upper wick, close within it, or come very close to the trail. Condition 3. Look for a sell signal to appear. Once these three conditions are met, we enter a sell trade. The stop loss is placed above the most recent high to guard against any upward spikes. For exiting the trade, we again rely on the exit signals that automatically appear on the chart. Here's another example of a valid sell trade. The smart trail is red, the price climbs back into it, and we receive a sell signal. We place the stop loss above the most recent high and exit the trade when the exit signal appears. Now that we've covered the trade setups, it's time to reveal the backtesting results, just like I promised at the start of the video. I've tested this strategy 100 times manually on the Ethereum USD chart, using the 15 minutes time frame, and here are the results. I started with a $1,000 account balance. I use 10% of my account per trade, adjusting as my balance changes with each win or loss. For example, if I profit $100 on a trade, my new balance becomes $1,100, and I use 10% of this updated balance for the next trade. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, and stocks, check out this video right here.